From Daily Forex, this is Chris taking a look at the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ 100. This is midday that I'm recording this, so keep that in mind. But when I look at this chart, you can see we gapped, we rallied a bit, then we turned right around at about 27.80 to form another ugly candle. Now, while this is a very negative sign, I recognize that there's a lot of support just below it, 27.50. And I think it extends down to 2,700. So quite frankly, at this point, it's difficult to short, although I'm not necessarily looking to buy either. If we can break the top of these two candles, then fine. I think we take off to the upside. A breakdown below 2,700 opens the door to much lower pricing, probably 2,500. Over here in the NASDAQ 100, it's a little healthier looking. Not the greatest looking candle, but definitely better than what we're seeing over in the S&P 500. So this might lead the way. If we can break above 7,200, hold that for a couple of hours. Even if you miss the upside here, I think the S&P 500 will probably follow. If we break a fresh new low at 6,900, look out below, we'll fall apart.